Oh god, today is one of those days. I'm not a very happy person, and you can really see the scar right there today. Anyway, so today I'm not really happy. So I'm doing Costco. Went from Salt Lake to San Diego, basically, and made a delivery at a store. That should have been the end of it. Except they held me there for 4 or 5 hours. Okay. Got past that. Got to the second store. They got me unloaded. Went on to my third one. We can't unload you until tomorrow. Please come back at 5. I'm like, alright, well, I'm going to get detention time. Alright. So I come back at 5. Oh, we can't unload you until 10. It was dark outside earlier. So I've been firing off messages to my driver manager. I mean, I'm going to get paid to sit, but it's frustrating. I mean, come on, Costco. That's one thing that sucks about LTLs. Okay, and that's actually what this video is about. When you're doing LTL, less than truckload, or you're going to multiple stops, anything like that, if you get screwed on your first stop, for whatever reason, it can really screw with the rest of your run. Now, I got where I was supposed to go. I got there the day before. I was definitely on time. The delay was not my fault. So, I'm getting paid for the delay from yesterday and today. So, I'm going to get paid. But I make more money driving than sitting. But here's the other issue. I'm out here in California, and they're saying there's not a whole lot of freight because Chinese New Year. And I do know that to be a fact. During Chinese New Year, they take that very, very serious, and they don't really do that much, if anything. And so I'm going to try to see if there's a account that I can go rush for. My driver manager is trying to find me something. And then the other thing, I'm going to be filling out the paperwork to become a trainer. So, yeah. So we'll find out more about that in the next coming weeks or so. But, if you're interested in, coming along with Swift and you'd like to jump in my truck and me train you, that would be a real possibility. So yeah, that's kind of new there. The other thing, I was going to say this several days ago, but I forgot about it. I'm going to be uploading videos from another YouTube channel that I have to this channel because YouTube changed their entire policy on partnerships. And so I actually had 2 channels. One was this one, and the other one was automotive related. I did own a small shop for a period of time. You've been watching, you knew that Anyway, long story. I'm going to be transferring those videos over here. I'll be doing those during probably like a morning upload, so, you don't have to watch them. But I'm going to close down that channel and try to get all the subscribers from there to come over and join my channel. That way I can try to get to that 1,000, subscriber mark. So yeah, if you see some automotive stuff, that's kind of what's going on there. Although I am going to pick and choose some. I don't think I'm going to move them all over. But yeah, so that's that. I might actually work on getting some of those videos ready to do that now, since I'm going to be sitting for a couple more hours. Yay. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Let's hit that 1,000 mark by the 20th of this month. I'll definitely appreciate it.